Hello guys, I'm making Ofeakwu stew. Ofeakwu stew, that's Banga stew. I'm washing my Banga now. Wait for it. So guys, after that I place my scent leaf. I also have dehydrated scent leaf here, and I have this one I got since day before yesterday, but they are still okay. Okay guys, like I said, I want to make Banga stew. That is what Igbos call Ofeakwu. So people from the other side of Niger Delta region, like Delta, Edo, Bayelsa and Rivers, they call it Banga soup. So we call it Ofeakwu, and Igbos don't use their own for swallow. We use our own for rice, all right, but other people I mentioned, they mostly use their own for swallow. So this is my Banga akwu. We call it nkwo in Ogwa, our village. This is my scent leaf. This is my dried fish that I'm going to use, and this is my beef that I'm going to use. Then I am going to use my multipurpose seasoning powder to season this. Multipurpose seasoning powder. Then I have my onion here, and I have my ugiri that I bought. I don't really have ugiri here. Then this is my chili pepper, dry chili pepper. This is my crayfish, and this is my I call it black spices, especially when I want to make pepper soup or this Banga soup. I add it. I just blended it anyway, but this is my star seasoning powder. It will salt this, it will season it, and also spice it up for me, and is highly medicinal, and also give it a lovely color, aroma, and delicious taste. Let's go. So there are certain things I don't like using to cook because of the stress that comes with them. Look at me now, pounding Banga, pounding apple, pounding a palm fruit. Let me take it down. I'll come back. So guys, I brought it down to pound. You don't expect me to pound inside my sink. So guys, I think this is ready. Yeah. Okay guys, it's ready. I'm washing it now with water. That's the method. Camera is not doing justice to the color, so let's see. I'll just add my dried fish inside. These are just to get the taste. Yeah, so I have added my black spice a little because it's so spicy. Then I add my crayfish. I don't really need much crayfish because I've added multi-purpose seasoning powder. Then I'm adding my chili powder now. So I don't need much crayfish because I have added multi-purpose seasoning powder, which has a lot of them. So I'm also not going to add salt until I taste. This is going to give you that umami taste, all right? So guys, this is my remaining Banga paste. I'm going to put it in the freezer for next cooking. I can use it to cook beans, pottage. I can use it to cook soup. Yeah. So this is it. Going back to the pre, look at how thick it is. Don't add excess water when you are washing it. Hello. So for that umami taste, I'm going to add ogiri and scented pepper. This pepper is just for flavor sake and umami taste. Yeah. So this is it, and I will cover it back before stirring it. Oops, sorry. I'll cover it back before stirring. So this is the Ofeakwu. Oh, I think the water is too much, but it doesn't matter. What matters is tasty and lovely. So I'm adding my scent leaf now. I think this is all. Our Ofeakwu is ready. This is actually my first time of cooking this. Please rate my Ofeakwu, okay? Let me allow it to boil a little. Yeah, camera is not doing justice to the Ofeakwu look. It looks so nice and lovely. The scent leaf just finished work. Wow. Hey guys, our white rice is ready. Our white rice is ready. Okay guys, the food is finally ready. This is carbohydrate, and this is the vegetable I'm going to eat it with. And of course, I have my water and my tea. How do you expect me to eat without tea? It's not possible. I may even drink more tea than I eat food. So guys, join me, let's eat. Join me, let's eat. Wow. Ofeakwu of the Most High. Yes, guys. I don't like big meat. I didn't have time to start cutting. You need to come and taste. You need to come and taste.